sun. That green is insane. That just looks incredible. Killer color combo. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. This car does have PPF paint protection film, 100% of the car. Front to back, every single piece, all the gloss black trim, back bumper, spoiler, the headlights. The only thing that does not have PPF essentially is the beltline molding around the windows, the trim, of course the glass, and the taillights. Everything else though is fully protected. Looking at this front right wheel, looks perfect, zero rash. I don't see any flaws. Looks brand new. Dayco 2023 on the tire. Like I said, full body PPF. Everything has been protected since day one. Looks incredible. No window tint, all original there. There's nothing to pick apart here. This looks incredible. Looks good. Wheel looks incredible. Barrel, beautiful. This paint is insane. Now keep in mind, in this bay, the paint doesn't look as good as it does outside, so we'll get it outside. It's kind of a cloudy day. I wish it was really sunny, because once this thing hits the sun, it is incredible. Zero rash under there. It looks brand new. This is definitely collector grade. Beautiful investment piece right here. It's the right spec. I mean, that interior's killer. Taillights do not have PPF on it, but everything else, all the gloss black trim, and they did it right. So it's not a little template. This is removed, fully laid, and the new emblems installed back. Looks good. Right, checking out the interior. This thing is insane. Perfect color combo. Love the houndstooth. Smells brand new. Door panel, the only flaw is a little nick right here, and it barely scuffed the leather, it looks like. The rest of that looks perfect. Nice and clean. All that trim is nice and clean, like I said. Near brand new. Bolster looks awesome. Love that new car smell. Just over 2,000 miles. Looks really, really good. All right, here on this door panel is absolutely perfect. Houndstooth is insane. That trim looks good. I mean, this is all brand new looking. Zero flaws, zero stains. I'm not seeing any scuffs. Stitching looks incredible, smells brand new. This looks really, really good. And no one has ever sat back here. Looks brand new. Any of the flickering you see, that's just in the camera, not in person.